Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. Today I'm going to show you box 14 from the Crochet Society box subscription. Here's my box, so let's get it open, shall we? So this is a monthly subscription box, and it takes around 2 months to get your first box from when you first subscribe. There were some delays over lockdown, but now we're all back on track. So every month you get a box of goodies. It includes yarn, a crochet hook, extra little accessories as well, and you get a booklet full of patterns. So it is cheaper to buy it as a subscription, and the more months you subscribe for, the cheaper it is. I first started buying them just as boxes from the shop, and it works out a little bit more expensive, so it's well worth getting your subscription direct from them rather than buying them from the shop afterwards. It also means that you won't miss out on any either, because they don't last very long in the shop. So let's have a look and see what's inside. This is classed as the mermaid box. It's got rose gold as always, and there's some glitter on this too in some of the scales on the front. It's got lovely scales in pinks. This is box 14. Yeah, 14. So beach please. As I said, it is the mermaid box, so I'm expecting it to be of a sea theme. So we shall have a look, shall we? So as ever, you've got tissue paper on the very top. So I'm just going to undo the sticker on there. And the first thing that's in here is a bag. How cute is that? Beach please. Very much looking forward to going to the beach this summer. So it's a little drawstring bag. I've just undone the knot on that side, but you can see it's got a knot this side. Quite a nice thick fabric as well with that print on there, so that's good, and I think that would be perfect for a little project. It's got sparkly yarn. So we have 2 balls of crystal DK. The first one is this lovely lemony colour. This one is called Opal. And the other one that we have is called Rose Quartz. It's like a dusty pinky colour. And they've both got stellina in there, so you can just see them sparkling. And they're big balls. They are 100 grams. Does it say anything on here? Yes, 100 grams. So there's 190 metres in each of those, and they are DK. And I think they're fab. So we've got some stuffing again as always. There's always a little 3D project in here now. We've got this lovely stitch marker, which is, if they always spin around, which is a mermaid's tail, which is just really cute. Again, you've got your safety eyes to go with the toys stuffing. Oh, we've got 2 hooks in there this time. There's lots of little packets. What's in all of these? Beach please, there's a little packet, so let's have a look in there. What have we got? Oh, are these scissors? I think they're compact scissors. I'll have to work out how to open them up properly though, so I'll have a go at that in a minute. So they come in this little box. This one's darning needles, so I don't need to open up that one. It says it on the back, which is quite helpful. Oh, we've got this little pack of cards, and each one, it's like a little, each one's got a different technique on the back. So you've got working into, what does that say? Working around the front post. So that's a front post treble for UK terms. You've got treble crochet, and they're all different, all slightly different patterns on the front. but each one is a different technique, which I think is fab. That's perfect for a beginner if you're not quite sure on techniques, or even for advanced and intermediate crocheters as well. That's perfect. There's a little reference pocket guide for you for the different stitches. Again, we've got our little card which gives us the code to get to the video tutorials. It's really cute badge, look at that. What does it say? Shell yeah. I think that's really sweet. And it's got rose gold on it as well. That's going to find its way onto a bag. Again, you've got your cheat sheet as you do each time with your abbreviations. Eat, sleep, crochet, repeat from. So that's really cool. I like that. That's quite sweet. Now these are the 2 crochet hooks. You've got one in which is a wooden crochet hook. It's a wooden crochet hook, so the bottom is dipped in a colour purple to match the box. And the other one, which is absolutely fab, is sparkly. Look at that, it's so sparkly. It's like a really pale lilac-y colour underneath. It kind of graduates as well to white at one end, which is really sweet, and that's 3mm crochet hook. So let's dig down to the bottom and find our little book. Oh my god, there's a little bucket and spade. That's really cute. That's going to be really sweet to work up. So it says the goodies are designed to be travel friendly. That's why we've got that little bag, so everything should fit in that bag, which is great fun. All the projects. So we've got the bucket and spade. We've got mini mock rami hanger. This is a crochet plant hanger, and then there is a cowl as well with like a chevron pattern. So it'll be really nice to have a look at that. You've got tea and chat with one of the designers. So this is Melissa Bradley. She's got some really cute amigurumi pieces there, so it'll be interesting to read what she's done. And that's two lots of pages. That's brilliant, isn't it? So there is the bucket and spade, perfect for the summer. And then this goes through everything in your box. So you've got the bag and the cards, you've got a mini hook, there's a mini pair of scissors, pin badge, darning needles, you've got your metallic crochet hook, and you've got your stitch marker and your pin badge, as well as your yarn obviously. And then it's got some alternatives for yarn, which is great. So these have all got stellina in them, so they're all sparkly yarns. I do love a bit of sparkle. This mermaid's cowl, so it's got it is like a chevron pattern. So we have that. That'll be really quick to work up actually, that looks really cute. And I think it's got like an eyelet section, so that works up really, really quickly. There's another bit from behind the scenes. This one is about designing the box. So this is what goes on the outside of the box. There's a mood board, kind of shows you where the idea came from. So with the mermaid scales and the colours. There's a little plant hanger, which looks really sweet. That should be really easy to make up. And then as ever, we get a little gallery towards the back as well from previous box makes that other people have made. So these are from subscribers. These are all subscriber pictures. And I missed the llama, but he is so sweet. And that is it. Oh, the next one looks pretty. I didn't realise it was in the back. Look at that one. It's got starfish on it. That's going to be really sweet. So look forward to getting that one as well. So that is this month's Crochet Society box. I really like the yarn. It's lovely and soft. Let's see if we can get these scissors to open properly, shall we? Ah, there we go. So what you do is pull them apart and then you tilt down. There's a little groove either side, so the blades just lock inside. and they seem like they're going to be really sharp as well, so they're going to be really cool to keep with you. And it means they're a bit safer as well because they lock in on themselves. Oh, I can't get it to close now. I'll play with that later. So yeah, I'm going to put everything in this really cute bag so I can keep it all together. And maybe it'll come away on my holly bobs with me. And it's even got Crochet Society written on the back. So I hope you really liked this little video. I'm going to pop everything back in my box. As you can see, it is the mermaid box with the mermaid scales on the front. And I look forward to subscribing further actually and getting box 15 next month. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to getting on with these projects really. If you're interested in subscribing yourself, I'll put all the details down below. I'm not affiliated at all. It's just something that I thought I would share with you all as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.